Finding a smartphone for under 10,000 rupees is getting harder in India, and the numbers show just how quickly the market is changing. In the third quarter of 2025, phones below 10,000 rupees accounted for around 18% of smartphone sales by volume. By the second quarter of 2026, their share had fallen to just 4%. The biggest reason is the rising cost of memory used in smartphones. Memory prices have jumped nearly ninefold in just 9 months. Earlier, memory accounted for around 15 to 20% of the manufacturing cost of an entry-level phone. By June 2026, that had crossed 45%. That leaves manufacturers with a choice: absorb the higher cost and sacrifice margins, or raise prices. Increasingly, phones are moving into higher price bands. One major reason is the AI boom. AI data centers require enormous amounts of memory. As chip makers prioritize this fast-growing market, supplies available for consumer electronics such as smartphones are getting tighter. That is pushing memory prices higher and making cheap smartphones harder to produce profitably. Consumers are already feeling the impact. Smartphone prices have increased by around 15% and could rise another 5 to 7% next quarter. Meanwhile, higher price segments are gaining ground. The 30,000 to 45,000 rupees segment, for example, increased from 6% of smartphone volumes in late 2025 to 10% by the second quarter of 2026. So India's smartphone market is steadily moving towards higher prices. And one reason your next budget phone could cost more has little to do with the phone itself. The global AI boom is competing for the same memory chips that smartphones need. For price-conscious Indian buyers, that could make smartphones under 10,000 rupees increasingly difficult to find. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.